installing Python and setting up your IDEs. If you are just starting, setup is straightforward. Visit python.org and download the latest stable release. Open your terminal and run python version to verify the installation. Use pip to install packages. For example, pip install NumPy. For coding, try tools like VS Code, PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. When you begin serious projects, learn virtual environments like VENV or virtual env to keep dependencies isolated. In under 10 minutes, you can have a working Python workstation ready to go. Writing your first Python program. Moment of truth. Let's write the classic. Type this into your editor or REPL. Print, open brackets, within double quotes, hello world. That's it. No classes or headers required. Just human-friendly code. Run it in the terminal or inside an interactive Python shell, which is REPL. The pro tip: type import this to read the Zen of Python. 19 short principles about simplicity, clarity and elegance. And for a bit of whimsy, try import anti-gravity. It opens a webcomic. Real-world applications. Where is Python used today? Almost everywhere. Web development. Frameworks like Django, Flask, FastAPI. Data science. We are using Pandas, NumPy. Matplotlib for data work and visualization. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, we are using TensorFlow and PyTorch. For automation, we are using tools like Selenium, PyAutoGUI and OS scripting. For game development, we are using Pygame for simple games and prototypes. For desktop apps, we are using Kinter and PyQt. For cybersecurity, we are using scripting and tooling. IoT and robotics like Raspberry Pi projects and robot controllers using Python. From the shows you see on Netflix to research code tested on Mars rovers, Python is often behind the scenes. Python versus other languages. Let's settle the debate. Why pick Python over other languages? We have the short comparisons. Let's see. Java, using for strong enterprise structure. Python is simpler to write. C++, it is super performance, but Python is faster for prototyping. R, focused on statistics and analysis. Python is broader and integrates with production systems more easily. JavaScript, king of the browser, but Python gives you backend and data power in one place. Let's take an example. Compare the classic hello world. In Python, we'll give one single statement, which is print hello world. In Java, a multi-line class with main method and system out print. Python is minimal and expressive like poetry, but while some other languages are longer and more formal like essays. Unique strengths and fun facts. Did you know? Python's motto is batteries included. Its standard library is huge and ready to use. The Zen of Python includes the line, "Beautiful is better than ugly." Big names like NASA, Spotify, and Netflix rely on Python daily. Python helped power AI breakthroughs that led to systems like ChatGPT and other research from DeepMind. And yes, Python developers still slip Monty Python jokes into docs and examples. There are opportunities in Python. So if you learn Python today, your future looks promising. The top roles that use Python are data scientist, AI specialist, machine learning engineer, web developer, automation and DevOps engineer, cybersecurity analyst, game developer, IoT and robotics developer, with hot fields like generative AI, blockchain, and Python keeps opening new doors. Why Python dominates the industry? From startup to space agencies, everyone using Python. It shows up in cloud computing, academic research, AI agents, and the tooling around large language models like GPT. Python is not just surviving the tech world. It's helping define the tools and workflows we will use next. That's why learning Python is not only a valuable skill. It can feel like a... So now you know Python's journey from a 1991 hobby project to the brain behind AI, automation, and modern innovation. If this video gave you a new perspective, then hit like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because next time we will dive into Python basics like variables, data types, and operators, where we will start coding hands-on. This is SP Learning Labs, helping you code smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.